Amazon opened a fulfillment center in Cecil County last year, and today the governor went to check it out. The governor joined other leaders on a tour of Amazon's facility here in Northeast. It opened last September and employs about 1,000 people. It's one of 3 facilities in our state. The other 2 are in Baltimore City, and a 4th center is coming to Baltimore County at Trade Point Atlantic. And the governor says Amazon currently employs 5,000 people in Maryland, with 1,500 more jobs on the way. The governor hopes Amazon continues to grow its business here with its second headquarters, HQ2.
I just can't wait to see what Maryland's strong partnership with Amazon might lead to next. Who knows? Maybe our next announcement together will be for a new HQ2 Amazon headquarters with 50,000 jobs in Maryland.
And Montgomery County was named one of the 20 finalists for the facility, and Amazon has not said when it's going to make its big announcement and which city will be selected for HQ2.